What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, Mr. Dope Styles on Instagram. Welcome back to another video. We are back in the lab working with the Maschine. This is version 2, the older software. I'm on my older computer, just in case anyone wants to ask questions. That is probably why I am making this beat here. Well, finishing the beat. Pretty much already done, just kind of adding some tweaks in here, but I want to kind of break it down and show you what I did to this beat here. So just kind of show you, share with you where I got the sounds from. So this here, all chops. I'm using the audio module, which is built inside a Maschine here, and you can see where I did some chops here, and I just pretty much just time stretched it. So if I go back to this here, you'll see. So it's just this long sample, and I just took like certain pieces of it and just chopped it up.
Shake, shake, come on, drop.
Oh yes, bitch.
Shake.
So if I go back, you'll hear it. Let's go to bar number 9, and then you'll be able to hear.
Shake, shake, come on, drop.
Oh yes, bitch.
So the sample is right here. Originally it was pretty much slower, so I had it tuned down all the way to 0, which is right here, but the speed was a lot slower. So I sped that up to where I felt comfortable at. So that lives right there on group A. Again, I got the drums on group B.
Oh.
Got multiple kicks, so for the breakdown when I do this, and that's over here on 65, so if I play it from right here, you'll hear a little bit of the breakdown.
Shake, shake, come on, drop.
Oh yes, bitch. Oh yes, bitch.
Goes right back into the hook there. So on C, I just have this bass, and that's pretty much omnisphere, and you'll hear it right here when the beat comes in, maybe like on 5. So if I play it, you'll hear a little bit of omnisphere. So a famous bass that was used in a lot of hip hop in the early about 2000, maybe 15, 16, maybe and beyond. Again, that comes from Omnisphere. And then we have some vocals, and that's just my tag basically. And we have some reverb, then doing some like parallel compression. Pretty much ran it through the Neve, the 5059 satellite, brought it back, but I'm not using it right now. It's just kind of sitting there. Just for this demonstration, I just wanted to kind of show you what it sounded like before I route it to the Neve and do some more further processing. So that's basically the beat. Nothing too much to it.
Shake, shake, come on, drop.
Oh yes, bitch.
Just do some processing on the sounds, have it ran through like an EQ. So if I take this off here and then I'll solo the melody, you'll hear how it sounds. So if I add this in, just giving the sample some space with the metaverb and the replica, just kind of giving it that space, and also just widening it out with especially with the replica, just kind of getting that sample on the sides there, using a wide slapback preset. And I'm really doing some stuff with the drums here, adding a filter on the kick. We have the clap, got some light claps, not really doing anything there. It's an 808, just adding some compression. Got the chant cymbal, got the scratches, and then the shake, shake, oh yes, bop, the Nola, that's that sound. So really fun to play. A lot of like Louisiana style music. What else we have here? That's pretty much the beat. So like I said, if you put it all together, you have this here.
Shake, shake, come on, drop, drop.
Oh yes, bitch. Oh yes, bitch.
It's your boy Young Fizz. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you on the next video. We out.